Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple circle skirt. The first step is to figure out the radius of your circle skirt. You can do it by using a calculator, but I like to go to the circle skirt calculator by hand London, and it makes everything so much easier. First you choose inches or centimeters, then you choose either a quarter, half, or full skirt. Then you choose the length of the skirt, either mini, midi, or maxi. And then you put your waist measurements in. And then the easiest thing is to hit do the math. This will give you the measurements of the radius and the length. However, I do find the length a little bit long, so I never really pay attention to that. It also gives you a diagram of how to cut it out on your fabric. I chose this cute pumpkin fabric to make my daughter a circle skirt out of. Now the first thing you do is from the folded edge corner of the fabric, you want to measure the radius. So the smaller of those two numbers that the website gave you, you go down from the corner, go all the way down. In my case, for my daughter, it was 3.5 inches, so I went from 3.5 inches down and curved it out. Now with the length, you measure from that curved cutout edge all the way down to your desired length and curve it out just the same way. Now I could stop right here and have a half circle skirt, but I want a full circle skirt, so I will be cutting 2 of these out. Now all I need is a waistband. Here I'm just cutting a straight piece of fabric that's about 26 inches long. And I chose to do French seams on this skirt, so I won't have any raw edges sewing. And all you do is you put wrong sides to wrong sides, sew it, trim the seam allowance, then turn it over and put right sides to right sides and sew it up again. So that way the seam allowance is encased inside. With the waistband, I folded it in half and then attached it to the skirt. Then I measured out some 1/2 inch elastic and I put that through the waistband and sewed it up. And then I created a small rolled hem. And with that, the skirt is done. And now she has a new skirt to wear for the holidays. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next week. Bye.